Loud thunder, lightning.
That was spook. Gaddafi got spooked.
It's intensely raining. This parking lot was just dry about 10 minutes ago and now is completely filled with water.
Damn, look how...
It's still hailing.
Time to feel how soaked I am. Look at the floor, how I... Hey, videotape that part where no fucking you see all the ice, all the dots everywhere.
I don't know if you can see the actual hail on the ground. Little dots of hail. Pieces of hail on my hand. There's about a half an inch of, there's about at least 3 or 4 inches of water there, about half an inch of hail on the ground now. And you can see it on the cars.
People at freaking telegraph said, well, don't go to the window, but it fucking hurts. Nothing hurts.
You can see it on the cars. There's hail all over the cars. I'm actually right underneath it and you can see it falling on me. Ow, it hurts. Dude, go out there, fool.
I did. It
freaking hurt.
I know. It hit me hella hard in behind the ear.